Hello students, I am fine by the grace of mighty Lord and I hope that you are also fine. I'm again with you once more again with you with some important topics of social science. Today I'm going to discuss social. You know the social books has three parts. The one part is history. Second part is geography, environment, and third part is the social and political life, democracy. So among the three parts, today I have taken a decision to discuss from the social and political life. I am in the democracy, government and the state of class 7, page number lesson 3, page number 193, and presented by Samaguri Life. You see, our discussing topic is the government and the system of the government and the working level of government and India. So first time that here just from these chapters some important points related to these chapters today I shall discuss and try to give you the basic knowledge. So as students, before starting this lesson and discussing this lesson, I want to tell some things. I hope and I miss really very much I miss you students, those I haven't unable to continue the classes due to the pandemic lockdown, and those students who depends on fully hostels and hostel for the time being not hasn't reopened till now. So according to my thinking, if the basic knowledge of students of any subject is not clear, is not strong, in future it will create many problems, and I hope according to my decision and thinking he or she will unable to score and high mark in the exam in future. So all of you try to strong and make your basic level is strong. So not only try to memorize the question answer, because I haven't do so. If you understand what is written on your books and every question answer try to understand, try to comprehend in your mother tongue, then it will be easy for you and in future you will able to score high mark in the examination. So with this hope I want to start today's discussing this. So come to the first point, legislatures. So what is legislation? The simple concept and simple idea I am try to give you. The legislative body of a government or state is called legislatures. The law-making body, I mean you see the legislator, the person, those who makes law or the members of a legislative body, they are legislator. The second point is the Anglo-Indian, a person whose father or the other male ancestor in the male line is or was European descent, but who is native Indian. Suppose your father, your grandfather, anyone from the male line came from European country and for the time being they got married in India, they are living with us like a native Indian. He is Anglo-Indian. Next you see the next point, come to the next point, universal adult franchise. Universal, what is called universal adult franchise? Try to understand. Give right to the both all the adult citizens without discriminations of wealth, income, gender, social status, race, who is completed 18 years old. With the important point, without discriminations, giving the voting power without discrimination, income, gender, social status, race, and who has completed 18 years old. Next you see, before going to the next point, try to understand how many states are there in Assam for the time being. You see in 2019 it was the one in 29 states, but at present only 28 states in India. Next you see in 2019 there were only 7 union territories, but at present only 8. This is because of the before 2020 only 29 states and the 7 union territories. But as Article 370 has been removed from Jammu and Kashmir, one state has been removed from the total of 29 states. As a result of state for the time being 28 states for the time being. Second is the union territory was only 7, but as 370 article has been removed from the Jammu and Kashmir, the one state has been reducted from the total 29 states. So the one is there should be 9 Union territories, but for the time being, as of now, 8 Union territories. This is because of, I am telling, avoid patience. As Article 370 has been removed from the Jammu and Kashmir and bifurcated into two parts. The one is Jammu and Kashmir, another part was Ladakh. So next you see, as earlier Union territories was 7, increased 2, but automatically it should be 9. But as of now, Union territories is 8 only. But how? You see, the present UTS of India, I mean the Union territories of India, you see Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next you see Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. This is the important lines all of you try to understand. Here is the two Union territories but merged together after the 317 has been removed from the Jammu and Kashmir. The government of India the merged together the two Union territories and making one. See here you see the number 2. Next is the Jammu and Kashmir. Third one is the Lakshadweep. 5 and 5th one is the Chandigarh and 6th one is the Ladakh. 7 is Delhi and 8 one is Puducherry. Earlier it was the Pondicherry. Next you see India. Government of India working in 3 level. The first central government and state government, and third one is the local government. Central government, local government again working two types of government. You see the rural government, I mean the Gram Panchayat level, and on the other hand the urban government, also different types of government, and different places different types of government. The municipal council, chairperson, here is the headman is the chairperson, municipal corporation, mayor, and you see central government or the national government. You see the PM, president, vice president, they rule and they are the head person. And next in the state government, CM is the head. Next you see legislatures. The first organs of a government, its function, law making. Legislator, it is law making is the main duty or function of legislatures, and legislators also working 2 level, state level and central level also. It is called the state level, who is legislative working state legislatures, and central level working, it is called parliament. Legislature also 2 houses. One is legislative assembly, another is the legislative council. Again you see legislative assembly, the another name of legislative assembly is the Vidhan Sabha, and next one is the Vidhan Parishad. And important points, all the states don't have legislative council. It is the important lines and important points. Next, legislatures, you see again according number of the houses, legislature also divided 2 parts again. One is unicameral legislatures, with one house consisting one house, having one house unicameral. Again you see the bicameral legislatures, here the consisting or the having the 2 houses, with a house consisting 2 house, with legislature consisting 2 houses, it is called bicameral legislatures. You see uni means once and bi means 2. So I hope all of you understand. So all of you try to memorize the
सोबत आता स्टुडिओ मध्ये